Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indus Business School. Today we have with us Mr. Chandrakant Rajpurohit. He is a senior FinOps analyst at Amazon and he is an alumni of our institute as well. Welcome to the institute.
Thank you so much.
So being an alumni, visiting the institute, how is the feeling?
It's a great feeling, I would say. I mean, it's been what 7 or 8 years I have come to the college, and I can just memorize things which we have spent over here. So even for the students who are already pursuing their MBA or PGDM, I just have a suggestion, or you can say tips and tricks. What we say, enjoy. This is the best time you have to enjoy, as well as keep on learning as much as you can learn, because you have to be balanced wherever you are.
Yes.
So if you will enjoy, at the same time if you will learn, you're gonna enjoy everything. So just be like that. So this is what I did, and this is what I would like them to do it, so that if whatever hurdles will get into your way, you will cross them like that way. So just enjoy whatever you have. Just do it, because you have to do it.
Yes. So what skills they should learn in these 2 years so that they can easily be adjusted in the corporate world?
Sitting capacity they can work on, because when you get into IIEBM, you have lectures from morning 8 o'clock to till 6 or 7, something like that. So 8 or 9 hours you have to just sit. So a lot of people are not used to it, and they don't understand right now. But when they started sitting like that 8 and 9 hours, when they get into corporate world, they have to sit 8 and 9 hours over there. So their capacity of sitting would definitely increase. So sometimes the students gets frustrated just saying that why are we sitting 8 or 9 hours in college? I mean, I'm just getting frustrated out of it. But they need to understand this is something which they have to learn, and once they will learn these things here, it will definitely help them out in the corporate world, because corporate world is not about 8 and 9 hours. If you're working in such a company where you have a lot of pressure, you have to might stretch to 10 or 12 hours sometimes. So if you will increase your sitting capacity here, then it's going to be very fun loving and very easy for you to cope up with that situation when you will get into the corporate world.
Apart from academics, you feel like that communication skills is important. What all they should learn in these 2 years?
So comm skills, I would say, sitting capacity. They can be more flexible if they are sitting 8 to 9 hours. 2 things would be there. Take ownership, because if I relate this particular thing with their corporate world, if you're going to a manager and somebody is telling you that just make me this report, now it's up to you how you have to make it. So the ownership things comes from here only. If somebody is giving you a task, don't first reach out to people to understand what should I do, what should I not be doing in that. Just get details as much as you can. Take ownership, and then make a outline. Then go to somebody and just ask for the suggestion. This is what I did, and you tell me what changes you want me to make it. So this is how same happens in corporate world as well. So whatever you do over there, it has to be up to the mark, and it has to be very precise in details. So this ownership things will definitely help them out to do it.
So what you will say regarding the networking? Does networking also plays a very important role that they should build up network?
Definitely. See, sometimes you don't, let me put it in that way, you don't have a way to portray or to let people know what you are knowledgeable about. But networking, if you talk about LinkedIn itself, if you're putting across your thoughts over there, then people who are visiting your profiles, they will understand what kind of knowledge you get, and are you a suitable candidate for the openings. In case if they have, they can reach out to you, like this person is something different, I can reach out to him, he will fulfill the requirement what I have for that particular role in my company. So networking is must, and you have to be active as well. It just creating profile will not make any sense. You have to be active as well over there. Just put your thoughts over there, which will definitely help you.
Being an alumni, what tip you will like to give to the current batch?
Current batch, as I said, when we started our interview, just have fun and learn as much as you can. Because if you will have fun and you will learn things, you will be able to, enjoy everything, and you will be keen to learn everything. If you will think you are into pressure, you will let 3 or 4 things go, and you will only learn one. So just enjoy, because as I said, this time will not come again. It's your college, just have fun and do everything. Do things whatever you can do to go outside from this college and have things up to the mark. That's it.
Thank you so much. Thanks for joining.